let's carry on here. So next we have Irresistible Text, Women's Dating Offer, Matthew Coast. So this is only available in English, and the stats are gravity score of 29.38 or 38, but it's kind of low to be honest. And then we have an initial dollar per conversion, which is $21.78, and a reoccurring dollar per rebel, which is $60.61. Our average dollar per conversion is $126.97, and basically the different features available on this deal is upsell flow. We have one-time payment and then reoccurring payment. Then we have $1 trial, and we also have affiliate tools, and we have mobile friendly, which is what this deal is all about. So let's go to the next one, and we have 2021 updates alive after the Fall 3. The epic biblical survival offer is back with a twist for 2021 Christians, conservative seniors, and preppers will be glued to their seats by this angle that will crush it even on cold traffic. Put it to run and see your profits go through the roof. Okay, so then we have a gravity score of 22.97. It's pretty low. Only available in English. Our different features that are available is upsell flow, physical product. So it is something you have to, it's physical. Then you have a one-time payment. You do have recurring payments as well, and it is mobile friendly. So we have reached the end of the first page, and that means that it's time to go to a different category. So I think I'm gonna go to maybe health and fitness. That's a big one. Everyone loves health and fitness. This will go on and on for days. So why the hell not? So over here we have ProDentim, monster in the dental niche. Oh my. Unique angle and delivery method for a quality soft candy. Just launched, and the EPC is already up to $4. The gravity score for this is through the roof, as you can see. We'll even go to the affiliate page because I'm quite interested in this. But it's just called ProDentim. It's nothing great. Generate your hop link. Oh no, this isn't actually the actual thing. If we go to prodentim.com, we can probably see what the product is about. Brand new probiotics specifically designed for your health of your teeth and gums. I don't know if it's a candy. That's the thing that's bugging me here. I don't think it's a candy, but it's probably something to like chew on or a tablet or I don't know. But let's close